good evening. Today we're going to present our second partial exam. We will be talking a little bit about our project. So first of all, Nacho over here is going to start talking about the project.
Okay, now I'm going to explain the mechanical configuration, the mechanical structure and the robot's manipulator. Um, Maybe regarding the system body of link or rigid theory interconnection together by joints and kinematic parts. Okay, and now I will go to plan the links and the joints. And this part we have our link, and this part we have the joint. This part I have link, and I have this part joint. Now this part we have basic joints. This part is rotative. Okay. This part we have angular. And this part the same angular. And this part in the chain and the rotatory basic joints. Okay. This is good.
Okay, now let's speak a little bit about the joints and links. Over the servomotors, we're using servomotors in order for links over here in the base, right here. We have another over here, and the last one right here. This is the tiniest one because this is not that heavy. We have 180 degrees of freedom on each one of the servo motors, and this was printed on 3D printer with a PLA material, so it's light, it's resistant, and it is made by a 3D maker that will be SolidWorks. So right now, my other.
Hello, teacher. I am going to make this connection on between the Arduino and the servo motors. We will be having a programming on daily of 2 seconds and low, and 18 seconds on height on each one of the motors.
Okay, so our partner is making the first connection. It will be the yellow cable for the pin number 3, the red cable for 5 volts on our Arduino, and the brown cable to ground. So this will be making a movement as he explained. So that's the first movement of the base of our robot. That will be the rotatory movement of the robot. Next, I'm just going to be making another one in another part of the robots. That will be the second one, an angular rotation. Also the same values. It will be a delay of 2 seconds in low and a delay of 18 seconds on high. in a loop. It's keep moving.
Okay. Yes. Okay, this is the good.
And then we have our third servo motor. It will be the other movement that the other motor will be having. Just that one. And the last one of the so this is basically the movements that we want to have to prove that the servo motors are functioning, and we have our 4 axes for this project. So now we have 4 conclusions.
Now, my conclusion about that is our project is very good because I have to structure the dome. Okay, I missing we missing the programmation. Okay,
My conclusion: the robot is good, and the moment is is good. Also.
Okay, so my conclusion for this work, it will be that we're learning about a lot new things like bringing up on 3D, making the programming. As Nacho says, we're missing the part of the programming of the entire robot, but we will be using a Bluetooth, and that is an HC05, and that will be it basically with our 2 resistors of 2K and 1K. This will be the Bluetooth that we will be using with the programming of our Arduino. We will be adding a button for the class of security. So basically our goals for the next project will be to have our program to be able to connect it by Bluetooth and make an app on our cell phones so we can have it over there. And maybe we were thinking on adding an electromagnet magnet over here on the top so we can just move it and don't add another servo motor because it will be more work for us, but this will be functioning the same way. So this will be it. Thank you for
Thank you.
watching.
see you.
See you.